Hello everybody again. This is an evening ride. I wanted to turn on, I'm going to tag a video to this video at the end. It's what I thought about a Patreon and my thoughts in respect of why I would like to start one and what I would like to achieve at starting one. Obviously money wise, a lot of YouTubers use the Patreon as like a, you know, another part of their earnings because they're not earning a lot, etc. Now I haven't built up a YouTube channel yet. My Patreon would help me with my fuel, etc. for the bike and editing the vids and stuff like that, putting my time in that way because I work full time as well. But what I would like to do is utilise the Patreon to build up my base in respect to a fan base, and I wouldn't use the money stupidly or anything like that. I'll just leave it all in there if I get any. And from that I could anyway, I'm going to put the video on after this. It's the thoughts of the Patreon, but I have actually started a Patreon. I looked into it yesterday night and I've hooked it up to all my descriptions on my 90 odd videos at the moment. We're doing well, we're doing better. This channel's doing a lot better now. We've got in the last 28 days we've got I think it's nearly 3,000 views over 28 days. Not a lot, people get 3,000-4,000 views a video, you know what I mean? But anyway, I'm going to tag that onto this one now, so I'll say cheerio for now and let you listen to me waffling about why I'd like to start a Patreon. And please, like I say, it'll be in the descriptions, the subscribes in the descriptions, the Patreons in the descriptions on the bottom of the videos. If you'd like to, then please, I'd love to have you on my journey. Thank you, and that's it for now. Right, we're heading out of Honda 21st Motor in Swanley. I'm going to go up for a ride further up. I got my shirt open, or my jacket. I just want to wear my jacket because of padding. Yes, so the only bike I think I'm going to get, I mean I'm due to retire in 4 years. Well, I'll still be working, but at retirement age I'll get my pension. And the only, I want to get an electric one. I just want to get the SRF. Not the SRS, the F. Yeah, but I mean, they was talking in 21st Motor there that they have them and they keep them for 6 months as a demo bike before they let them go as a used bike. And the one he just had, I mean, it's like 17,999, and because they've been used as demo bikes, they go down to about 14,000, which is way out of my league. But that's what I want to talk to you all about. Is should I start a Patreon for my dream in 4 years time? I think it's the only one of the only ways I'm going to get something that is going to see me through in retirement. And so I've been riding for 42 years now. I just want to settle on a bike that I like the future of electric. I've lots of reviews on the bikes, etc. And we enjoy having a little scooter for the kids, you know, the electric, looks like a moped but it's all electric, that we use. I've done a few videos on it if you want to go look at them. But and just go out to 20 miles on it if you want to, so you can go to work on it, or you can, you know, my daughter goes to work on it, my son goes out on it for a ride. My other son's here now, so if he wants to go to Bromley or wherever, he'll just go out for a ride on it. And it just saves money on on fairs and everything. My daughter's been using quite a lot lately because she's a nurse in a care home and she doesn't want to use public transport, so she's safe. So that's what she's been doing, is using an electric bike for that. 6 miles there, 6 miles back. So yeah, I really like the future of electric, and that's what I want to go for. So should I start a Patreon page and see where that leads me? I've never done it before, I don't know what it entails. A lot of people, a lot of YouTubers use it to support their living on YouTube. Right out the window that way, don't you? I'd like to use it as to achieve a goal in that respect, to achieve something that would be an impossible dream. So leave a comment, see what you think about that, whether or not I should start one. And we'll go from there, and I'll look into it and see.